How to get Uber Eats promo code. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. This is me Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can get Uber Eats promo code. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up any web browser. You can use any web browser. I will be using Safari. After you open it up, simply search for Uber Eats promo code. After you search for it, you will see a lot of websites that provide the code. The one I use the most is CouponFollow. So just open this website up and you will see all of these promo codes here. Now you can use any one of these. As you can see right here, there is up to 75% off. You can even get $10, $15 off. You can use whichever you want. So let us go and use the 75% off one. So here you can simply tap on copy, and then it will simply redirect you to the Uber Eats, and then you can use this code to get up to 75% off on your Uber Eats. And that is how you get Uber Eats promo code, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the like button too. Bye bye, take care.